What's going on, guys? I wanted to stop and take a second to say thank you for getting me to 50,000 subscribers, and I figured I would give you guys a little aftermath video on the 250R from the first ride. Just a little abbreviation. I'm going to flip you around here. I did clean her up. I think she cleaned up really nice. Some people were asking if there's any stuff I would have changed, like if anything wore really badly. Nothing really bad. The major change I did, you can see I chopped the fenders down. So you can see I lost a little bit of graphics. No worries. I redesigned these, moved all of the sponsors up a little bit, and I changed this 309R to just say 309 so that nothing will be cut off there. I sent them out to AGMX to have them reprinted. So there's no worries there. It's unfortunate. You can see this is the main reason that I cut these, because the vibration was just eating into these Nerf bars, and it's unfortunate, you know, that happened. Maybe I'll get some touch-up paint and just touch that up a little bit. It's not too bad though. It's a quad. It's going to start getting beat up. I think it looks a lot better though with them cut. And it was also, my heel was hitting at the back, so I won't have that catching my heels anymore. And I did unfortunately get a flat. This tire is pretty shot. The whole I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find it on the spot right now, but it's a pretty big hole. I'm not really sure I want to plug that, but it doesn't really matter because Obor Tires is actually sending me a set of MX tires to run, and they are a heavier ply. These ITP ones are 2-ply. They're sending me 4-ply, so I'm pretty excited about that. But everything else cleaned up really nice. The pipe still looks good. Everything's nice and shiny. Motor cleaned up really well, and I was really surprised. These patches on the heel guards that DBC Racing sent me, all of the white spots cleaned up. You know, I went to the coal mines. That stuff can stain. I'm really surprised how clean they came out. I didn't do anything crazy. I just pressure washed them. And here's this side that I cut off. So it's just little stuff like that, and you know, like tweaking things here and there. And I also, after watching my footage, I was talking with JST, Justin Sturgill, and we both kind of think that the power valve is not operating to the best potential that it can. I was talking with Arlen over at LED, and he said that these 310s sometimes have trouble getting enough exhaust pressure to open up the exhaust valve, which would make sense. If you guys saw in some of my previous posts, I was saying I was kind of a little disappointed with the performance of the motor. It just doesn't have the potency that I thought it would have. You know, granted, I'm used to the Banshee and stuff, which is a lot more powerful, but it did seem a little flat on the top end, so it would make sense that the power valve's not opening. So I'm going to crack into that and see if we can get that to work a little bit better. And oh, you know what else I did? I put the airbox back on. I cleaned it up. It's the original OEM box. I did have to, I don't know if you guys can see right in here, I had to shave down this custom NPM mount just to make it fit in there, but everything fits really nicely. Got an Uni 2-stage filter on the way to go inside there, and I'll probably run that without the box on there, or without the box lid. But yeah, man, it's looking pretty good. So again, guys, thank you so much for getting me to 50,000 subscribers. I love all you guys. I'll see you in the next video. I have a video washing this damn thing and cleaning her up to make her look like she is now. Throwing those Obor tires on probably next week. So huge thank you to Obor for sending me out a fresh set of shoes for this bad boy. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace.